Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about these beautiful faux locks. Stay tuned. So let's jump right into these bomb crochet faux locks that I did on myself using Nubias Crown's classic locks. How cute are these locks? Okay, so this is the pack of hair. This is the classic locks from Nubias Crown. I received 4 packs of this hair and I used 2 full packs, and then this is what I have left of the 3rd pack. This is the 4th pack. It's what the actual lock looks like. Comes with the loop at the top that you use to crochet. Love, love, love the ombre color. So it starts off with like a 1B, then a dark brown, and goes all the way into this blondish color. Color is absolutely beautiful. These faux locks are very soft. I did crochet them in, and these are individual crochets. Give you a little close up. Yes, honey. And the length, she's going all the way down to the butt. They're nice and full, very soft locks. So again, I did crochet them in. So I first put my hair into ponytails using some black rubber bands. Then I twisted my hair up. After I twisted my hair up, I crocheted the lock in, and then all you do is open up, turn it this way. You open up the lock and wrap it around your hair, and you just keep going down, opening up the lock, wrapping it around your hair. Now I will say that there are some spots like right here where the hair is sticking out a little bit and it's a little frizzy, but these are locks. They're supposed to look natural. So I'm perfectly fine with that. But you see this right here? Now that's not just frizz, that's my hair sticking out. I'm gonna go ahead and just show you on camera how I fixed that. So you literally just open up the lock and wrap it around. Open the lock and wrap it around your hair. And you might have to do this throughout the style to a few of the locks. If it gets a little bit out of hand, you just palm rub it. And there you go. So again, I'm perfectly fine with the frizz. If you are not one to like the frizz, then it's very easy to touch this style up. So I'm gonna give you a 360 and then show you exactly what I did to achieve this look. Love this look. This is my first time doing faux locks, so this will definitely not be the last time. Absolutely love these. And I literally just finished these up this morning. They are so lightweight. I did count them. I have 63, but they are so lightweight, easy to pull over to the side or do a little updo. You can pin them up in the front. Like, they're very easy to move around already, and this is just day 1 with these locks. So excited to play around with different styles with these, and I will definitely be reinstalling these again. So let's get into how I achieved this look. Stay tuned.
So again, these are the Nubias Crown soft locks that I have installed using the crochet rubber band method. Absolutely loving this style. So let me show you what I do. So I start by inserting the crochet hook underneath the rubber band. Next, I'm going to take the pre-loop and insert it into the crochet hook. Once I get it on the hook, I'm just going to close the latch and pull it through. Then I'm going to open up the loop a little wider and I'm going to insert my hair and the faux lock into the loop, and I'm going to tighten it up just to secure it around my hair. So now I'm going to take the faux lock and I'm going to open it up and wrap it around my hair. I'm going to do this about 3 to 4 times at the base of my hair just to make sure that it's secure. And then I'm going to keep unwrapping it and wrapping it around my hair and then going down the length of my hair. So unwrapping the faux lock, wrapping it around my hair, unwrapping the faux lock, wrapping it around my hair. And I'm going to do this to the length of my hair. Once I get to the end of my hair, I'm just going to palm roll it, and that is it. Very easy, very simple, very cute protective style. Let me show you one more time how I do this. So this is my first time doing crochet faux locks on myself, and I'm absolutely loving this style. So easy to achieve. I will definitely be doing this again.
Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Hope you're loving this style as much as I do. I will leave all the information in the description box where you can purchase these locks as well. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.